My name is Mansoor Naqvi, and first of all, I would say good morning for everyone. And we will try our best to give every week very powerful message to our all listener, so you can enjoy and you know how to increase the income in your routine life. We understand everyone working hard and making money, either doing job or as a self-employed. As everyone knows, Canada is the land of opportunity, which I believe, and which is the secret behind me, because I believe Canada is the land of opportunity. Last week we discussed about the situation of real estate in Canada, what's going on. I give a peace message to everyone. Do not rush it. Be calm. Property is not going to down. And don't rush to sale right now, and wait 30 to 60 days. You will enjoy it. Today my message is a little bit different. As usual, I'm trying to give the message under our MB platform. This company is 21-year-old company, and I am the founder of this company. This is a very unique plan. We put on the things together, the ATM and POS opportunity for all our listener or viewer. ATM is the platform, as everyone knows, that getting a franchise is a hard. If you go today, walk in to Tim Horton, McDonald's, or any franchise you go, you have to pay the upfront fees. What we want to do for our all viewer, we are offering a free of cost that opportunity. That opportunity will give you rate of return is 20 to 25% without having a hard work. I would say hard working is the key, but don't forget the return of 20 to 5%. Just give example of the ATM machine. The regular cost of the ATM machine between 3 to 3,500 US dollar, depend on the model of the machine. Simply we locate the location for you, we install for you. That costs you around $200 to $250 on top of the ATM price. Simply we install the location. Either you choose the location or either we found the location for you, and simply we watch and see say how many transactions happening on the transaction, which our experience. If you are making a 20-25% from what you invest in that particular segment, you will be success. You can start this opportunity, sign the contract with us with a franchise, no cost to you, which we're offering a free of cost, and you can sign 10 ATM machine, 5 ATM machine to begin with it, and opportunity is there. You don't need to leave the job, you don't need to do what you are doing right now. Try this one first, and let's see how it works, and you can go from there. In a parallel, the POS, there's a big and huge opportunity is in terms of the people, those who don't have any money. That platform has helped you a lot, which I believe for everyone, that business, you are doing the business. For the business, don't become an investor. So this businessman need a roadmap only, not the money. Under the POS platform, you can just simply sign the contract with as a franchise agreement. We will give you a full roadmap that how you able to sign the deal, and you can able to make a residual income under that umbrella. That opportunity, those who are listener who don't understand, you can contact us. Our email address is mansoor.naqvi@mbeforyou.com, or you can see the number on the screen. You can call myself. I can redirect to you appropriate person who can deal our franchise department, and they can deal with you. But I will encourage to everyone that if you want to increase the income in your life, or if you want to make sure yes really Canada is a land of opportunity, then this is the right time and this is the right place. You can build your career. And thank you, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.